갑자기 폭탄이 터지고 총을 빼앗은 한 남자가 무차별 난사를 시작합니다. 곧이어 잠복해 있던 특공대까지 단숨에 제압해버리는데 대체 그는 누구이며 이곳에선 무슨 일이 벌어지고 있는 걸까요? 비키퍼 지금 바로 시작합니다. 어둡고 벌들이 가득한 창고 안 한 남자가 벌집을 제거하고 있는데 같은 시각 집에서 요리를 하고 있는 엘로이즈 파커. 그녀는 잠시 창밖을 응시하게 되죠.
That's them in there, just like that?
They've been killing my honeybees.
Crabgrass and weeds, and you brought it back to life.
No one's ever taken care of me before.
Come back at supper time, let me feed you.
이후 저녁 식사 약속을 잡고 노트북을 확인하는 엘로이즈.
Boss, got something? Yeah?
I got one.
United Data Group, good afternoon. This is Boyd.
Saying that there's a problem with my computer.
Software package that you pre-installed on your computer.
Install that,
And install the latest version.
since they'll have to replace the hard drive.
All right. Tell me what to do.
Button on your screen that says install.
I reinstalled the virus shield for you.
하지만 그녀가 접속한 건 데이터 그룹이 아닌 피싱 사이트였고
My computer's going crazy.
Because of this inconvenience, I'm going to credit back your C account ending
020.
that account and verify the transfer, please, Ms. Parker.
그들은 그녀의 비밀번호를 알아내기 위해 고의적으로 다른 금액을 이체하게 되죠.
I made a terrible mistake. I'm gonna lose my job here.
Oh, I don't want you to get in trouble. Though, 1 second. Okay. Hello?
다시 노트북 화면을 바라보는 엘로이즈. 하지만 모든 계좌의 잔고는 이미 사라진 상태였습니다.
What did I do?
그 시각 클레이는 엘로이즈에게 전달해줄 꿀을 담고 있었고 그날 저녁 그녀의 집에 도착한 클레이. 수상한 기운의 칼을 들고 집안을 살펴보는데
Don't move. Drop the knife. Hands behind your back.
그녀는 클레이에게 수갑을 채웠고 곧이어 소파에서 싸늘하게 죽어있는 자신의 어머니를 발견합니다. 결국 클레이는 용의자로 지목되고
What are you doing in my mother's house?
She didn't answer when I knocked. I noted a car in the driveway.
클레이는 경찰서에서 조사를 받게 되며 베로나는 클레이가 일하는 곳으로 향합니다. 하지만 아무런 단서도 찾지 못한 채 집으로 돌아와 어머니의 노트북을 살펴보는데
Oh my god.
잠시 후 조사를 받고 집으로 돌아온 클레이.
His hands tested negative for gunshot residue. Sadly, it was suicide.
다음 날 베로나는 클레이를 집으로 초대하고
I wanted to thank you for taking care of my mom. Just I could. Obviously, I could have done a better job.
Being old can be a lonely thing. To be a part of life for the family.
You know, I think I know why she liked you. You're just like my brother. She loved him.
곧이어
She got scammed. Got every penny, maxed out all her cards. They got $2 million out of that account. I talked to an agent in our cybercrimes office about building an indictment that would stand up in court.
Person is as bad as stealing from a child. Sometimes they're left to face the hornets alone.
These motherfuckers who did this.
I need to take care of the hive.
그는 집으로 향했고 조용히 뭔가를 준비하죠.
I need a favor. Even the FBI can't find these people.
그는 피싱 사기 조직을 추적하고 있었고 결국 본거지를 찾아냅니다.
This United Data Group got inside.
Right the fuck back the way you came.
You aware this is a criminal outfit?
클레이는 건물 안으로 들어가 사람들에게 경고를 날리고
Need your attention, please. Repeat after me. Never steal from the weak and the vulnerable again.
사람들은 그의 말을 따라하기 시작합니다.
Might be a good time to go home.
기름을 뿌리기 시작하는 클레이.
What the fuck you think you're doing? This is a multi-million-dollar operation. Will you stomp his ass out, please? I got you. Fucking get him. You fucking get him.
모든 보안 요원을 정리한 그는 피싱 조직 관리자에게로 향했죠. 그리고 폭탄을 설치하기 시작합니다.
Given all of the gasoline fumes in here, anything alive in here won't be.
Guys, we might want to dip out.
곧이어 건물에서 빠져나온 관리자는 최고 책임자에게 전화를 걸고
What? I'm in a meeting. Had a disgruntled customer. Get in touch with the attorney and start shoving back.
He just tears through all my security.
And he burns the place to the ground. Yeah, that's not exactly a disgruntled customer, is it?
Cameras and the drives burned up in the fire.
I'm gonna hit you back, all right? I gotta go big dog this shit for a minute.
잠시 후
Hey, I need to talk to you.
Or what?
Burned it down, maybe killed some people. You could get him.
Listen, this sounds like a job for the police. Your metaverse meth lab or whatever it is.
도움을 요청했지만 거절당하자 직원에게 전화를 거는데
You're gonna look at anyone connected to the last few deals you closed, all right?
Yeah, no, I understand.
클레이를 제거하라고 지시를 한 대리.
Eloise Parker just has a daughter in Boston. I don't think this is it.
Said your boy has an old-ass pickup truck.
이때 클레이를 발견한 조직원들.
That's him. He breaks my shit. You break his shit.
하지만 클레이는 이미 이 상황을 예측하고 전투를 준비하고 있었죠.
Where you at, B-boy? Fucking face up! Let's go! Someone fucking help me! Me and you, we can fix
그는 모든 증거를 없애기 위해 창고에 불을 질렀고 손가락이 절단된 관리자는 간신히 차를 몰고 탈출하게 됩니다.
Yo, what's up, player? I'm so sorry, Mr. Danforth. He cut him off.
Who the fuck is he? Tell me who he is right now.
Honey, and it fucks with Beehive.
Protecting the hive. Or something. Oh!
You want crypto?
No! What the fuck is this, man?
You're fucking crazy, man!
말없이 차에 시동을 거는 클레이. 대릭과 통화 연결이 되는데
You have the pleasure of speaking with.
You burned up my $1 million fucking call center. It's fuck you, Mr. Fuck you, and you better fucking remember it. Fucking with forces that you cannot comprehend.
And I'm gonna burn you down. I'm about to show you.
그는 곧바로 다음 목적지로 향하였고 같은 시각
7 armed men without firing a shot. The only thing you know about him says he's a beekeeper.
How did I fuck up?
You disturbed a beekeeper. There's nothing I can do or anybody else to stop it. Pair of eyes that you're gonna sneer at.
윌리스는 다른 이에게 도움을 요청하게 됩니다.
Why are you calling me on the never call this line?
To have caught the unwanted attentions of a beekeeper.
Well, that's not good.
No, it's not. I need help, Janet, not jokes.
그날 저녁 주유소에 도착해 기름을 넣는 클레이. 그리고 출발하려던 그때
Assuming you're my replacement. I need your keys.
그렇게 그는 주유소를 폭파시키고 다시 길을 나서죠.
Problem has not been solved. I've decided to remain neutral. Sorry, Wallace.
Fucking handle this.
I can't handle this!
다시 한번 클레이를 제거하기 위해 사람들을 모으기 시작하는데
When I was sworn in as director, even I wasn't privy to, like the beekeepers, quietly worked to keep the hive. Beekeeper has gone off program.
Pick up the phone and tell this yahoo to stand the fuck down.
Keep working until they die. Former SEAL Team 6, tell the group you were in the same room, he would kill you. Mr. Pettis, you should get your people moving.
한편 클레이는 자신을 제거하려 했던 비키퍼 기지에 도착하였고 그곳에서 필요한 정보와 무기를 확보하게 됩니다. 한편 사건 관련 정보를 보고하려는 베로나.
Berg and Amanda Munoz, special counsel.
Adam Clay. He killed 6 people today. Classified program named Beekeeper. This individual is highly capable and we believe that this is his next target. The regional call centers like the one that Mr. Clay burned down.
I have enough to brief the director.
A SWAT team, for starters.
That shouldn't be a problem.
Thank you.
그렇게 나인스타 연합본사의 병력이 배치되고
About the parking garage. Closed and locked.
Hey, there are no other entrances. There was a back entrance, I would have used it.
Somebody detain this guy.
클레이는 인지를 데리고 건물 안으로 진입합니다.
Whoa. Not carrying a weapon, get the fuck out! So much as puts the phone down. That's fire!
So I'm gonna say this one last time. Shut it down.
And he told me to send everyone home.
Why are you fucking with my business?
Isn't this character already burned? Why don't you send us to the ground?
Fucking job, and don't tell me how to do mine, please.
Set up a perimeter outside. Let's go. Move.
Go join fucking Space Force! Bye bye, Big Dad!
그리고 잠시 후
One-time amnesty. Leave now.
Nada. Zero. Not a good day to drag innocent people into this.
This prick right here.
클레이는 화재 경보기를 울려 적을 교란시키는데 같은 시각 현장에 도착한 베로나.
And he's dead?
Not dead, but we got our asses kicked.
I don't know what this guy is, but nobody can do what he's done.
I'm not waiting.
한편 클레이는 함정을 만들고 있었죠.
Done? You're done.
그는 중간 관리자가 있던 작업장으로 향하였고 그를 그대로 던져버립니다.
Who's above you?
They'll kill me.
I'll torture you, then kill you. You've stolen hundreds of millions. She was an educator, Mom. Yesterday she shot herself. Who and where, Mr. Anzalone?
Let me show you. Let me show you.
그는 책임자의 얼굴을 보여주었죠.
Told you they were untouchable.
Nobody's untouchable.
그때 베로나와 동료는 클레이를 뒤쫓지만 속수무책으로 당하고 맙니다. 결국 클레이를 놓친 베로나는 현장을 정리하던 중 켜져 있는 모니터를 보고 놀라게 되는데
Holy shit.
한편
Would you excuse me for a moment? Come upstairs. You kicked the beehive, and now we have to reap. We're in her proximity, Kenny.
Use my mother as a human shield. Come on.
대릭은 대통령인 자신의 어머니에게 전화를 걸고
Yes, Derek. What do you want?
Hoping maybe see you this weekend.
Fine. No drugs. Give Kelly the details. Love you.
같은 시각 자신이 조사한 정보를 보고하는 베로나.
He seems to be following the money. United uses data mining software to identify it's from people with no heirs, no family. There's another company involved.
Are you going to tell me the name of this company?
Danforth Enterprises, because she was sworn in as president.
Adam Clay's next victim is Derek Danforth's mother.
President Danforth, sir.
드디어 클레이가 모습을 드러내고 대통령도 헬기를 타고 저택에 도착하게 되죠. 그리고 삼엄한 보안이 계속되는 가운데 클레이는 하수구를 통해 저택 진입을 시도합니다. 하지만 그 순간 위기를 맞이하게 되고 다행히 위기를 모면한 그는 특공대에 섞여 자연스럽게 이동하게 됩니다. 곧이어 준비한 폭탄을 설치하기 시작하였고 저택에 들어갈 준비를 하는 클레이. 그 시각 클레이를 잡기 위해 최정의 킬러들도 저택에 도착하였고 FBI 부국장은 대통령과 그녀의 아들을 만나 긴밀한 대화를 나눕니다.
The deputy director has flagged his things about the source of my campaign funds.
Mr. Danforth, United Data Group.
I invested in that.
How about a 9-Star United? What do you know about a class developed by the intelligence community?
이때 서서히 작전에 돌입하는 클레이.
Jim's targets in the building, East Wing. Give me everything you got.
Blue over blue. You see him? You fucking get him!
Hey!
That's right! Encore, Nace! Do it now! You're on shit.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What are you doing? He's not even armed.
Nice crowd you're rolling with. Be or not to be? Go take. To be.
He's here!
Thank you.
그렇게 클레이는 모든 병력을 처치하게 되죠. 한편
You understand? You did this, right?
Trying to get you into office, Mom.
We were already rich. Your father built an empire.
You were behind in 15 of 20 counties you needed to win. You got elected because of me, and you know that.
Yeah, I know it.
What are you gonna do to fix this?
Tell the truth.
What does that even mean?
I'm telling him the truth about what you did, Derek.
You're gonna tell this guy the fucking truth and hope that he spares you and kills me instead?
Wait. You put that down.
Jesus! That's fucking real right there.
Drop the weapon! Drop it!
클레이는 잠시 생각에 잠긴 뒤 입을 여는데
You decided you work for the law or for justice. Fuck this.
Bye, Mom.
No, I want my name.
Goodbye, Adam Clay.
그는 미리 준비해둔 잠수복으로 갈아입고 조용히 자취를 감추며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 재미있게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리겠습니다. 감사합니다.